Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you in detail how you can do a cam swap without pulling the heads. It's kind of a myth going out there that in order to change the cam you have to pull the heads in order to remove the lifters. But there is a very cheap and effective way in holding up the lifters that I'm going to show you in this video. Hope you like it. Now please excuse the condition of this block. I literally got it just to make cool LS content for you guys, but this is going to be the motor that I'm going to be showing you the trick in holding up the lifters without pulling the heads. So what you'll notice, first thing here, obviously that's the cam bearing, but right here and here there's two little holes. And I'm not sure what the intended purpose of these holes are, but these holes are used to hold up the lifters when doing a cam swap. And let me show you how and what I use to hold the lifters up. All I use is a 5/16 piece of wooden dowel rod. This is the perfect diameter. Sometimes it could be a little loose for what I'm about to show you, but if it is, you can always soak it in oil. Now, they do sell a tool that's, designed for this purpose. They're aluminum, and last time I checked, they're around $100. That maybe they're getting less by now, but these are maybe $1 at the most. So you could pretty much do 100 cam swaps and still not spend as much as the aluminum tools designed for this purpose. But let me show you how it works. So this is our lifter bore here, okay? And what I've done here is I've gotten a small piece of the 5/16 wooden rod. I'm going to insert it to the hole that I showed you. And what we're going to see is, look, here's the hole. I'm going to insert the wooden rod. And what we see here is just a little bit of the rod exposed in the lifter bore. You see that? Just a little bit. And what that's going to do is that's going to catch the lifter and stop it from falling. And before you do that, you're going to want to spin the cam over to get the lifter high up in the lifter tray. Let me show you what I mean. Here's a lifter in the tray, and sometimes they're not all the way up. So what you're going to want to do is spin the cam before you move it to ensure the lifter goes all the way, it's seated into the tray. Now naturally, the position that this will sit in is here. So let's just go, the lifter's all the way in the tray. I'm going to set the tray down. Okay, now I'm going to insert this wooden dowel rod and show you how this works. Let's go ahead and get this wooden rod in here, and already it has resistance. I have got to actually kind of force it in there a little bit. So now when I pull the lifter tray out, the lifter should be held in place. See how that wooden rod, it catches the lifter and it stops it from falling. Now what I've done to kind of show you, how reliable this is, look, I'm gonna push it down, and I cannot push it. I can pick it up. It does have play up and down, but there is a reason for that. The most important thing is it will not go all the way down. It will not fall through the block. Now the reason it does have play up and down is because when the lifter is up in the tray, this little notch here is what the rod is going through. So it catches the upper and lower notch of the lifter, and it does allow up and down movement, but the upper groove here stops it from going all the way down and falling through. So just to kind of see how reliable this method is, I'm going to push really hard. Pushing hard. My finger is turning white. I can't really capture hard. I'm pushing, but it will not go down. I promise you this is a really reliable method. What I'm going to do is pull the rod out, and from forcing it down, we'll probably see some marks in the rod. Let's see. Yeah, you can see right there where I was trying to force it. But obviously, you're not going to be in that situation forcing the lifter down, because why would you, just risk disaster? Well, there it is, guys. There's my cheap and effective way in holding up lifters. It really does work well. But yeah, I'll probably post a couple highlights from my other previous cam swaps, because this video is going to be kind of short and sweet. But if you liked it, please like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll put some links down below to some cool LS tools to make your life easier if you're doing a cam swap or any sort of work like that. But anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. See you in the next one. Later. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video. I created kind of like a merch site. Right now I've only got like 3 shirts up there, but I'm working on more designs. I'm gonna get more up there. Please check out that link. It's like I don't know what it is. It's going to be in the description. I'm sorry. But click that link. Check out the shirts. Get one if you want to support the channel. Just that simple Grease Monkey mod shirt is pretty clean. But I'm going to come up with more designs, some cooler shirts. But thanks for making it to the end. And I hope you like this video.